Good afternoon, class. Our topic for today is all about prepare to use chemicals according to the level of material safety data sheet or MSDS. First, we come up to personal protective equipment or PPE in handling pesticides. I hope that you are already familiar with this equipment. Letter A, rubber boots. B, chemical resistant overalls. C, face protection. D, gloves or rubber. E, protective eyewear or goggles. F, respirator or face mask. G, sun protection or hats or sunscreen. Letter H, air maps. These are the pictures of the equipment. This one. And this 4 pictures is in the video that I sent to you already. Let's come up to insecticides, fungicides with their active ingredients. Letter A, insecticides. What is insecticides? Insecticides are pesticides that are formulated to kill, harm, repel, or mitigate one or more species of insect. Some insecticides disrupt the nervous system. Others may damage their exoskeletons. Let's come up to the insecticides active ingredients. First, malathion or malathion. What is malathion? Is an insecticide in the chemical family known as organophosphates. Products containing malathion are used outdoors to control a wide variety of insects. Second, 7 or carbaryl. Carbaryl is a man-made pesticide that is toxic to insects. It is commonly used to control aphids, fire ants, flies, ticks, spiders, and many other outdoor pests. Third, Sembos or cypermethrin is a synthetic pyrethroid used as an insecticide in large-scale commercial or agricultural applications. It behaves as a fast-acting neurotoxin in insects. And fourth, bicarb or phenobucarb is a carbamate insecticide. It is used as an agricultural insecticide on rice and cotton and moderately toxic for humans. And next is furadan or carbofuran. Is one of the most toxic carbamates pesticides. It is used to control insects as a wide variety of field crops. Next is disease or deltamethrin or 25-EZ. Is the world's most effective synthetic pyrethroid insecticides for use in agriculture. It is a non-systemic insecticide which acts by contact and indigestion. Next is larvaban or chlorpyrifos. Is an organophosphate pesticide used on crops, animals, and buildings in other settings to kill a number of pests, including insects and worms. Next is karate. Karate is an insecticide for insect control in cereals, rice, citrus, grapes, vegetables, and sweet corns. Next is indosulfan. Indosulfan is the two isomers, indo and exo, are known as popularly as 1 and 2. It is a product of oxidation containing one extra or a zero atom attached to the S atom. Next is magnum or 5-EZ. Is an insecticide that cures a pink bollworm, aphids, thrips, white fly on various crops, cottons, and ornamentals, citrus, pears, apples, peach, and etc. Next is sniper 5-EZ or cypermethrin. Is an insecticides and miticides designed to control over 30 foliar and soil-borne pests. Next is sumition or 50 EED-NY. Is an organophosphorus insecticides strong contact and stomach action. It is highly effective against aphids, mealybugs, scale, insects, and borers. Next is Confidor or SL1000. Will control green pitch aphids, silver reef whitefly, woolly aphids, gray cabbage aphid, and turnip aphids or extensive range of vegetables plus various other insect pests in ornamentals. The last is Parapest D. Is an insecticide that cures and designed to control a pest. I have here a picture of this insecticides with their active ingredients. These are the examples of the insecticides. This one, and this one. Let's come up to letter B, fungicides. What is fungicides? Fungicides are pesticides that kill or prevent the growth of fungi and their spores. They can be used to control fungi that damage plants, including rust, mildews, and blights. Let's come up to the fungicides and their active ingredients. First is Detain or M45. It is a contact fungicide with high protectant activity to control a wide range of fungal disease. It has been registered for use on dozens of crops for more than 50 years. Second is Armure. It has now the added advantage of the stronger curative and protectant triazole activity. It is recommended as the first spray when the crops reaches full ground cover. And third is Score. Is a broad spectrum systemic triazole fungicide that provide long-lasting preventive and strong curative action. And second is Alite. Alite is a systemic fungicide effective against fungi like downy mildews, disease of grapes, and dumping off, and azucal disease of cardamom. Next is Nordax 50 WP or supermicronized fungicide. This is supermicronized fungicide contains orange-red microfine. Its very fine particles size enables it to penetrate and quickly stick onto plant surface. Next is Anthracol or W670. Anthracol is a contact fungicide based on propinib. It is used to control of scab, early and late blight, dieback, back eye rot, downy mildew, and leaf and fruit. Next is Vitigran Blue. Vitigran Blue is the true systemic action mix application of this product as the best prophylactic solution for downy mildews and pest. Next is Beanlate. Is an systemic fungicide recommended for the control of many important plant diseases. Apply as a spray with ground equipment. I have here a picture of these fungicides with their active ingredients. This one and this one. And let's come up to letter C, herbicides. What is herbicides? Herbicides is a pesticide used to kill unwanted plants. A selective herbicides kill certain targets while leaving the desired crop relatively unharmed. Under this is Power. Power is provide swift control to strike down challenging broadleaf weeds. In fact, broad spectrum powers is proven to produce excellent control of ground EV and wild violet. Next is Roundup. Is a water-soluble herbicide applies as foliar spray. It provides complete control to kill broadleaf weeds. Next is clear out or 41 plus. Clear out or 41 plus is a non-selective, non-residual herbicide containing 360 gallon per liter of glyphosate as isoprolylamine salt formulated as a water-soluble liquid. Next is cleanup or 480AS. Is designed for systemic control over a wide variety of weeds and grasses. This product is effective on broadleaf and grassy types of weeds. Next is sharpshooter or 48ASL. Is a non-selective weed killer for use on all weeds and grasses. Next is Almex or 20WP. It controls a wide range of broadleaf weeds and sedges which are present in rice fields. It is also known as prone to volatilization and does not harm adjacent crops. The last one is Gramozone. Gramozone is a unique, fast-acting, non-selective contact herbicide for control of most fibrous rooted grasses and annual broadleaf needs with varied uses in wide variety of crops. I have here a picture of this herbicides with their active ingredients. This one and this one. This one. And let's come up to methods of control of chemical controls. Letter A, insecticides. To control the methods of chemical control in insecticides is spraying. While in letter B, fungicides is also spraying while drenching. Letter C is biocontrol insects. And letter D is organic pesticides.